Welcome, welcome, welcome everyone. We're gonna be doing this look right here, which is inspired by an alternative, e-girl look. It's very simple, super easy, and it is cute, just like me. But it is a cute look. So I'm gonna show you what we're gonna need. We are going to need a palette similar to this. Follow along with similar shades. You just need a lighter one, a dark one, and then a highlight color. Also a liner, some mascara. You're going to need a highlighter and a blush. So we're going to grab this lighter color right here as a background color. So we're going to start packing on that color just like so. You can reach in the palette multiple times to reach the intensity you desire. So I'm going to go about this. I did reach in the palette a few times and I'm packing it on. And now I'm slowly starting to blend it out. Starting from the inner corners and then pulling to the outer corners. Now we're going to start creating the tail. All you want to do is start swooping it out. And if you need a little bit more eyeshadow, pack a little bit more and then start pulling the tail right out with a light hand. Now we want our darker shade. So this is like a darker purplish pink color. And we're going to apply right over the other color. Kind of going to our crease. Well, because my eyes are hooded, I want to go a little bit over. But if you don't have this issue, just go all the way to your crease. And we're going to start packing on that color just like before. And then slightly and then slowly blending it out. And at the edge here, we're going to repeat the same as before. We're just going to start pulling that tail out to give it that smoky effect. Now grab your mascara. And I know this may seem weird, but we're going to dab it all over our lids just like so. It's going to give like a splotchy effect, which is really cool. It's kind of like splatter effect, like a paint effect. It's really cool. It's really different. And next, you're going to grab your liner. Make a straight line and then pull that back in to create that wing. Now we're just going to fill in that liner. We're going to make the hearts. You're going to grab your same liner. And we're just going to draw a line straight down and then another line on the other one, kind of like a V. It's going to give it a heart shape effect. Well, it's going to look like a heart. And my liner's a little bit dry. I might switch out the liners right now because I'm having a hard time with this liner. I'm sorry about that. Alright, so I switched out the liners because the other one's dry. This is how you do the heart. So line down and then another line down on the other side. And you can like build up the intensity of like how thick or thin you want the lines. And it makes cute little hearts. I'm also going to draw a little liner down here. Just, little point on the outer edge of my eye. A lower lash line. And then we're going to grab the darker shade that we used on our lid. And we're just going to spread it all underneath our waterline. Just like so. To give that smoky effect. Now we're going to grab the lighter shade here, which is a really cute coralish pink. And you want to use a color that has shimmer in it to highlight your inner or outer corners, wherever you want to do. Grab some blush. Now this is by NYX. And I'm just going to put it all over by my nose and my cheeks. And it's going to give it like a rosy, cartoonish effect to get that e-girl look. Make sure to blend that out. Get your highlighter, apply to your cheeks. I like using my fingers because it picks up way more. And then I'm just going to buff it out with a buffing brush. Blend that up. Put some on my nose. Draw some more hearts. One line there. And then another line. And bam. Look. Easy hearts. I don't know about you guys, but I love drawing on my face. Like, I be feeling like I'm shining bright like a diamond. I like drawing on my face. Alright everyone, so here we have it. We have the out-girl, e-girl inspired, out e-girl, what I'm going to call it, I like this look right here. I think it looks very cute. And the hearts, oh my god, everybody be looking at you. It's not because it looks weird. It's because you look good. You look good. Remember that. Anyways, thank you for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.